Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Set sequence to 1920 x 1080, 24 fps, and duration 10 seconds. Place a black solid on V1 to form the cinematic background and lock the layer. Import a clean, bold sans logo PNG and position it off-screen on the left so it can animate in later. Import 3 color mattes, sized 1920 x 1080 for the light sweep, and 1 lens flare PNG at 2000 x 2000 pixels. Create an adjustment layer for motion. Animate position from -500 to center over 1, 5 seconds with ease in. At 1, 6 seconds add a scale punch to 115% and ease out to create that impactful pop, then return scale to 100% by 2, 5 seconds. Add a directional blur of 45 degrees, amount 30 on a duplicate logo track to sell motion. Use opacity keyframes to fade a white reveal matte over 0, 2 seconds at the hit, and stagger 3 colored mattes with blend mode, add for the signature metallic glint. Place a lens flare at 0, 9 seconds, intensity 70, size 350 for highlight, parent it to the logo and animate a slight scale from 90% to 110% over 0, 6 seconds. Add a 3-second light sweep using an animated white matte with add blend and rotate it 30 degrees while moving across the logo. Render with H. 264, 1920 x 1080. VBR2 pass, target 15 Mbps, max 40 Mbps for crisp results. Preview at 24 fps and adjust timing by 0. 0.5s for perfect sync before final export.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.